Let's look what Bitcoin is doing right now locally, and later I will show you my key level support and resistance. So what we can see is that we are right now range bound. What does that mean? That we have to trade the range until it breaks. The range is very nicely defined in my opinion, because this pivot showed to us the support, which we had right here. So I extend it like that, and now I can bring it to the upside. So as you can see, support is very nicely defined. Now we have to find the high. Let's look if we have something right here. It looks like we don't. Then we can zoom in right here and choose the pivot. This one, or this one. Let's see if we choose this one. You can see that the middle of the channel is very, very nicely respected. If we choose this one, you can see that the midline is less respected. And if we choose another one, yeah, it does not give such a nice results as gives to us this high. So right now, yeah, we just choose this high pivot because it gives to us better results, in my opinion. So we have, yeah, the support. It was touched multiple times. So support. So it was not breaking, not once. And the resistance is a little bit harder because, as you can see, the middle of the channel is acting as a very strong resistance, and that would be the place where we should and must, in my opinion, we must take at least 50 if not 70% from the trade, because it is acting as a very huge resistance. We had a move to the upside from it basically one time, I would say, to the high of the range. The most of the times we rejected from the high of the range and we went down. So yeah, this is in my opinion very important. And also I want to show you my daily levels. As you can see, yeah, we have previous day high, daily low. So what can give to us a nice trading opportunity is to swing failure this low, daily low, go back inside of the channel and trade it to the middle of the channel and then to the high if possible. As you can see, we have a previous day point of control and previous day value area high right here stacking up really nicely. Let's see what do we have, if we have any Fibonacci levels. Yeah, it is not lining very nicely. So what I would expect and would love to see is maybe, as I said, the swing failure pattern of this low, go below this level, find right here support, for example, then we would make our way to the previous day point of control and value area high with the confluence of 786 Fibonacci retracement tool. Also, what we can do is pull a fixed range tool, and as we can see, we have a point of control right here. So that is a definitely take profit one, because basically the price can reverse from the point of control. So this is a very nice level, and I wouldn't take a short from it, obviously, because it is in the middle of the channel. So yeah, to me it's 50-50. It can go to the upside, it can go to the downside, and I have no edge in this market like that. Very nicely, we have a value area low of this range. Basically, it is a very nice confluence to low of the range, as you can see. And value area high is very nice confluence to our middle of the channel. So that is also what you have to keep in mind when trading this range. So I think it is really clear what Bitcoin is doing right now locally. And now what we can do is basically zoom out and look at major support and resistance levels. So maybe go to 2 hours time frame. And yeah, what we can do right now is again pull a Fibonacci retracement from this low to the high. This is basically the point where Bitcoin went impulsively to the upside. That is where I pulled it. And as you can see, we have a golden pocket right here. What is the confluence? We always look for confluences. So as you can see, first of all, we have 2 hours order block. You can instantly see it. So that is a good news. Also, what we have is the daily level. As you can see, this blue line, this is a daily level, and it is also a very nice confluence to this level right inside of our Fibonacci golden pocket. And also what I want to show you is the previous month value area low. It is also a confluence to this level, so it makes it a little bit of a zone. What we can do is to swing failure pattern again this low. That would be also really nice. And if we pull again a Fibonacci retracement tool from here to here, as you can see, we have a point of control lining up really nice with our order block and golden pocket. So that is the support for now, and let's look for a resistance also. I should hide some things. So very simply, as you know, this is the last resistance which we have in this range. So if we break this consolidation to the upside, what I will look for is for this range. What we can do instantly is pull a Fibonacci fixed range tool from where this range started till it ended, and as you can see, we have a point of control right here. Is it important to us? It is, yeah, very important question in my opinion. Let's look if it is important. What we can do is pull a Fibonacci retracement tool again from this high, and what we have is a golden pocket, and inside of it we have a point of control. That is a very huge confluence. So basically, if we re-enter this range, we see acceptance into this range, we should trade it to the point of control. If we see a rejection, okay, we trade it to the low of the range. If we don't see a rejection, we trade it to the high of the range, or in other words, I could say that the value area high is the next important level. So with the value area high, you can see that we have this high. It can be also swing failure pattern, and yeah, that would be a really nice trading opportunity also. Also, what I want to show you to this level as a confluence is the 1-to-1 extension. I can pull it from this low to the high to the low again, maybe this low, and as you can see, we have 1-to-1 extension, and it gives to us a really nice zone of resistance of almost 2%. So this is a very nice resistance in my opinion. So you know right now support which we might have to the downside and resistance to the downside. This is very important to trade the chart without any biases. You have levels to the upside, you have levels to the upside. Whichever direction Bitcoin goes, you don't care because you have levels to the upside and to the downside. And this is, in my opinion, the right way to trade the charts. And yeah, hope you liked it. Bye.